We've been dancing on this front porch floor for 7 years and a little more. Same old truck parked in the drive, same two hearts trying to stay alive. I still love you, that ain't a lie, but something in me changed with time. I've been praying for the perfect words to say this without breaking you, girl. I wanna let you down easy, soft as the rain, not like a storm that tears everything apart. I'll take the blame, I'll carry the pain, if it keeps that smile from falling off your face. I've been practicing this goodbye in the dark, trying to find the kindest way to break your heart. Remember how we laughed till we cried, two kids with nothing but time on our side. Now the silence gets louder every night, and I hate that I'm the one dimming the light. You deserve someone who's sure, who don't wake up wondering what love is for. I'd rather hurt you with the truth today and keep you in a love that's fading away. So I'll let you down easy, soft as the rain, not like a storm that tears everything apart. I'll take the blame, I'll carry the pain, if it keeps that smile from falling off your face. I've been practicing this goodbye in the dark, trying to find the kindest way to break your heart. I won't say it's you, 'cause it ain't. I won't blame the fights or the days we change. I'll just say I lost the fire somewhere, and I love you enough to set you free from there. Yeah, I'll let you down easy, gentle as the rain, hold your hand while I'm saying what I have to say. You can cry, I'll stay till the morning light, if that's what you need to make it through the night. This is the hardest thing I've ever tried to do, loving you enough to say goodbye to you. Soft as the rain, baby, I'm so sorry, but I'm trying to do this the kindest way I can.